Have you ever wondered how a stitch is actually formed? How these two threads connect together to form a stitch in our fabric? If you take off your bobbin door, and I've brought my bobbin thread up, which I know if you're used to using your thread cutter, you will need to actually take a stitch and pull it up manually. But if I hold both these threads and reach over to my hand wheel and turn the needle so it takes a stitch, you're going to see some thread crossing over the bobbin. So when it does that, that forms a little link of thread. I know it came around my foot here. There we go. Little link of thread, and that link is your stitch. So every time you take a stitch, your needle thread must pass all the way around the bobbin. When it does, it links the two together. Now, if you think about it, you know how we were talking about cleaning our machine and fabrics like fleece and cottons and battings and flannels, those really are linty fabrics, and those kind of build up over time, especially if you don't clean the machine. And every time the thread has to pass through all that linty area, that's when stitches start to not form or your thread breaks. And that is a quick reminder that don't forget to take your throat plate off and clean out from underneath your machine on a regular basis. I do it about every 2, 3, 4 bobbins of sewing. You'll really notice a difference if you take the time to clean the machine on a regular basis.